guys, welcome back to my channel Beauties Crown. This side Veronica. So guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you one of my secret of stopping hair fall, regrowing of my hair, making it silkier, softer and healthier. You can see. Woohoo! So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. I want to share something with you guys that from last 2 months I'm suffering from a huge hair fall. Like, trust me, a depressing hair fall. I told it to my mom and she suggested me that you should change your diet. You should take some dietary supplements or some hair supplements to just make your hairs again, just to regrow your hair, because beauties, trust me, because my hair fall was so severe and I was just suffering from it and I'm so depressed about it. Then what to do, I have no idea. So after searching a lot, I found this a natural Volvo hair growth. Let me show you the carton too, because like this, I'm eating it from last 2 months and I have seen a drastic change in my hair. You can see it just gave a life to my hair. This is like a life savior for me. Trust me, it made my hair so good. The best thing I found in this is that this is totally natural. If you are thinking it is all chemical, it is made up of animal or something like that, no, this is like totally vegan. This is totally vegetarian, chemical free and 100% natural. That's why I opted this, and seriously, it changed it. It changed everything. My hair is like totally new and they are a lot more shinier, healthier and they are dense too. It regrowed the hair. You can see they are too good now. And before I was just like, I am so depressed. If you see in my previous videos, beauties, I'm just making a bun all over here. This is because I'm suffering from a hair loss, but now my hair has become so good, so healthy, and I'm so happy to share this with you guys. And I just want to share it with all of you because many of you I know are suffering from this. This is like a supplement, a natural Volvo hair growth supplement, and this is like a magic for me. And I'm so happy that I opted for this. Now let me tell you why I choose it and every single detail about this product. First of all, let me show you how it comes. It comes in a carton like this. This is like a Naturals Volvo hair growth, 60 veg capsules in one box or one jar, I must say. This is like a dietary supplement. Beauties always go for dietary supplements because they are totally natural and very good for your diet. So this is like 100% premium quality, 100% natural ingredients, not tested on animals, rapid release formula and gluten free. So that's why basically I opt this for. I just go for this a natural Volvo hair growth. So I started eating it from last 2 months, as I said, and seriously I have seen a huge difference on the texture of my hair, like thickness of my hair and many things. So now let me read what are the benefits of this. A natural Volvo hair growth formula is designed to enrich your hair nails with biotin. Biotin is amazing for your hair. Vitamins and nutrients required for long, strong and healthy hair. These capsules works to enhance the natural keratin level of your body. So that's why, that is the main thing of choosing why. So that's why my hair has become so good because of this. Because this a natural Volvo hair growth capsule just raise the keratin level of your hair. So you can see it just raise the keratin level in your body, making your hair smoother, straighter and healthier. Benefits: stop hair fall by strengthening hair root. This is 100% true. It just stopped my hair fall in just 1 week. So I was just like, whoa, wait, this is too good. Improves nail strength and makes skin healthier. Yeah, this is the another benefit of this hair growth supplement, because it makes my skin too good. You can see it made my skin too good and my nails long too. So this is the another benefit of this Volvo hair growth medicine supplement, dietary supplement, I must say. So now, and one more thing I will tell you, it doesn't have any bad smell or it will be not like chemical or anything like that. It is too good to eat and totally worth. You can, how you have to eat it, you have to eat it like every day regularly after dinner. In the night after dinner you have to take one capsule. Just do it regularly, and it is written after 3 months to get the good result. But after 2 months I have starting seeing the difference actually. But after 3 months it is like totally the best result is in front of you. So you have to eat it just religiously, regularly. Eat it for the 3 months and you will start seeing the difference. And beauties, one more thing I want to tell you, which is like a little bit strange for me. After eating this, my pimples have stopped. I don't know why. Trust me, my pimples are like, they are totally gone. Because it is also written, it will gonna make your skin healthier, and it does that also. My all pimples are totally gone, and it made my skin so good and so natural too. Like so healthy, so glowy. It literally made my skin so glowy. I don't know why, but it does that also. It just made my hair too good. It just made my hair, my nails, my skin too good. So I'm so happy. I'm literally so happy that gray hairs, if you're having gray hairs, it just improves the color of your hair. It will gonna make your hair like black and strong again. So like if you're suffering from gray hair loss, then if you're suffering from that dead hair, literally dead hair, just go for this. It will gonna give a life to your hair. And so beauty, so many of benefits, so many of good things is in this jar. So I think you should go for it. You should buy this one. I'm going to share the link of this product in my description box. WhatsApp number is there. You can just order it from there. Online link and everything is available in my description box. So beauties, don't forget to check my description box. Just go for it. If you're having long hair and you just want to take care of it, then this dietary supplement is must. So beauties, hope you have liked this video, hope you have enjoyed it, and this is my personal experience. That's why I just decided to share this with you guys, that how I made my hair good, so you can also make your hair good. Just go for it. So beauties, see you in my next video. If you have any requested video, if you have any queries regarding this product, just comment it in the comment section. I'm surely gonna answer you. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.